mala karun wang chai nyor kadung din media ke chang wal bakel ka pai wal kel karun kimi dang rau de jandang rau de diech an mak bangut gok nunga yelar tin la nunga yen chang kadung din media ka tin tuok ka jinu Sudan ka na win mon da den an wala ka chang wal bakel ka pai wal kel kadung din media tin bak nung ye buka lar ka tin tuok dei lok chaka rai ka kwiden ga konin dang rawati and wala ba yenung lar ti specific ka kobu ka woror ka nyorol baga rai ko the future of rai lok chungani ka gwaron wangame ko do yene ko ngo do la lenga ne mi ran jo ma jek lenga be like ka be share we share bane kon wan nan ba ga chup bag bar kon nung ne na ko dung din media ba ga ja je ne kon di lenga tung noranam tin kon den ba nung ye ka tin to rai lo ko kai chang wala ba men yam me wo Dr. Ga jala de pack to governor of Jonglei State ya ka ko bo wa ko pan ga chang wol diech ta da ta ga ja ko bo wo ku ground ko prepare ke is party la spela maji ko be akobu beta go reason the content could succeed ka Dr. Ga ko be chom na ga akobu despite the presence of SPLM IO in Winnie ta da ta ga SPLM IO movement nan tongo the guy to be the akobu abo nyuri an tongo mo abo ta ga chance ko be preparation be olat ko be party de be akobu beta go taro kan the reason the content number 1 tin bagro jodian ku bro palpinya go beginning and reason dan chukere ga ka ko mera uda o de facto commissioner roba ko county ni James Kwes makwaj la kwes nya la bilio officially charo declare ko chala na SPLM aji jien ka SPLM ayo ni ga ta pan e chere ga me chelor ga ka ko te dia le pan de charo dia lat mane activities ni lura de ga nyu de ko akobu county commissioner ni James Kwes makwaj arana SPLM aji jilo ngor la na SPLM ayo mandio de ne o jarol wol nya kene de yi tan pien ka wat men daga wat that preparing their first real gorodian ko ba motot kene peri ba ka attack pan chane ne no wan de ko area am ko te green dal mi nyur ko wat green dal mo jala ga dei jala ga tayini jala ga mach taro ko ga inten ko ba kam gar taro ko be o mobilization by chap la chap loko ba mobilize ba ga joins then ba kormo ba tere kare loko men wan den bala o pan jete ki emergency meeting mi cha convince ko motot kane fiere dolo mighty white army la white army loko kana kwarbong ne ke jiching the outcome of dolo mo akel mi ban wajode ko mi na dol pan ngum mi cha matpin ka the meeting chalje ko kunyuka taro ko tiba ko la duone ne re loko shermala ne ko future yang in a balance ta ndan bro latin ko coordinatory ban ke speculate manu de corodian lat ke tri ga mendian bana lo tin keli sherga ta la ne ko bro palpin bigaling en mandana lo ne ken akbaron wangre Dr. Ga jaka kobu sherga ta na ne lat chako la do the reason ko succeed ga ko be chop ka kobu odi an wale ka gwaron wangme meta kone akobu konti ta na ngai ga jene wona ne oken and will take a center of decision making today you can nyur de ka decision de kana kamrar chakan ke this particular time akobu tam decision making le end up tani bong ala kwarwech kwarching traditional leaders che kwarbunam kana the condin chargo what will happen in Akobo today what can happen tomorrow so melarode commissioner keno e wona ne chia spela mayu mala kumenta tongo setagala go military capacity that chigro long ko ba power ba wilderken setagala go personalities kana in content kwa spela mayu kwa carbon tongo mo chang personalities to control military personalities. You talk of the command, SPLM Mayo barracks, to counter law, which you got cob. She got a quar. Quarky and Javola never go there, Pano, you can't desperate to go around or decker, which should SPLM Mayo ground. She got a position, she got the objective. So, Kono, quag intimidate a chap. Chapa, what I can, Riga. So, Koraiga Rogoro, a decision need to make with a connection commissioner, a laquid Nyala, one and Kune Lar, each the pack from Espela Mayo, Chorora Madaspela Maji. So, no more situation, me, Miloraka Kobu, ko decision making Kalo, in Contaga Kobu, Shakan, Sheila Kum, Sheila Espela Mayo, Sheila Bong. Kariza Nala Bongaya, a woody. She has spelled Mayo, a strong presence in Tonga. She was a cagatin. Jata native boom. To write a Kuma spell Mayo, will that need a spell Mayo decision making, make a center. Oh, issue by our Bakobu, Baleldi. Go Rangane, to Bakuma spell Mayo, our young warrior activate, Kakob. And Bishop Kano is the issue of one and regard Yaka Kobu. Ko grown ko prepare ke kumede ko wore ne ba ko be ta gobor chima ota spela mayo te winmi ka kornin til betiang ko mogor mo loide mi jagana kadres jagani tidia lo gojeto ba balwang na kay lebel ka ko bu ko bisal fakir but a footprint, a strong footprint for the first time after 13 years. So right now, no more banning I call low the alone and despite the welcoming, a child at Pan Mel guy situation that will follow a gentana and a chocolate, qua kubu balaret this following days. Whether we call a knock, keep corner look. Ko the reason the corner balaret guy, this nin the corner about him ga kubu. A about a contact can all the local bong to corner lark make a go ya decision about kubu yata go borokan ka spella mayo. Ba contact ni ken ba kan ba kang ba ben ko jube ba beta contact ke ba doran bedak ka telephone with the local community leaders, and that is the objective of the guide plus the objective den do den ba ngaji wogan ja ko ba cha lok and that is the reason they want to despite the situation in the region of Sudan and Wale. So the dialogue, no matter what has succeeded, Chopka for the reason the Koni Queen. But the outcome of what the Gakubu Yankunela Queen, the India Kubu, Biarri Alaka, Korea guy is taking over a Kubu, whether Nogene or a Logian. And the reason they was she had a decision to rock, she apple, she relay on Bong. She could tell political decision making. She tends Bong, Alajita Ching can share decision making. But that need as Piala Mayu. Go over decision mo by charco kuba lady this time. Mendana la reude the de facto commissioner. Ni James quiz makwaja la quiz nya la bilio. Kondi aliana nen ku de facts from SPLM mayu kula ne no wala SPLM mayu me kwanya yere ga cha kwanya in the name of SPLM mayu. When allow a controversial figure Magar Nyuman going below, that is relationship with system and Antagajuba, Bamal Tiako ba connect, Bala is strong in the name of Johnson going below. The Ben Chawala de Alde Concha Nung and the reason no Jaka Bong, she decision cas PLM, IO. So that is the effects of which decision Jen Cassiase, Chawaka Bong. Chakwit Chanung, the interest quest, Kakor Guadabarme, a Wokan regard, because a relation. By footprint of self-care by established Kakubu. So just walk, so we talk about wood and kin the corner we're going to liquid, good and Iran as spell my wood. This is how with this. Chakanti and a spell my wood, Chalara and spell my G. So can spell my wood go to decision by make about quiz. Go quiz by Lely Kakubu. Get this time. Coach ability only. As Piala Mayu command Jabaraga decision, Mulara Jago regard is not allowed in a coup. She quiz, she walk over the Manguja, she chap, Jacobo mobilize, she weakness of Espiala Mayu Nalane, she exploit. Regai chawaga Kobo. Mulunu ya succeed. So now is a matter of over Kobo with the support of Regai, keep Regai bar, Benang, with promotion. So now I'm only nuque that the pack to a commissioner, take a on by specialized quid and ballot, go quit, wedi, ka Kobo, this time. Mandodian, a general Walnya, Canada Yitan Pay. We know these two figures. Kachian Dak, Kachian Palker, Kakor, what they should watch the pack. I think the pack was already clear, Jukum. So some of them were in Juba. Ta dang Yitan Pay and take a Juba, ta Walnya, Taga Juba, Tagama Pow, Doric and Latkajano. So now it's time and go bigger Tagalat. Tagapulu from Juba, Yagananga Wat, they are in Wat, Taga Nisha, Dioka Wat. So this following day, Chade Yagananga Wat. Chama chaga nanga wat, chata yin jananga wat. Kan jago mega tasko by simple care by shol can be bana wat we kapa mate ba kor ba kap ko motor the can ba motor ba control. Last strong all of us spell my rail log. So no is one of the things Milaro the rail log today. The talk pan go and a renal the new chan and in one ko ya kwaka yagana. As a response, China new rail log. She bogni, she community leaders, she go carbonamni, she go new. Come what fear, what is happening? As a response to that, Chinamat go on and a log, take a position, go, to call our audience, and one which you confuse that want to make a problem, rail log, should self a care, should kumaka, jube. Consequently, a core. So Muluru law, agree, they will protect themselves and white army, and they will have a response, can all this propagation. Allow Tinaka can Jukuma, but I got a spawn, but Latka can low, Latka can be a result, can parade or medal, appear, can a motor. That will happen. So, Gono, I knew the Yagore log take a position of work supported by those few individuals, till I confuse your log, Baga Tres, Baga Camrar, and situation below Guade. Michiano, Ryan Dan, in Lunu and the Yitan Payne, can a woman like Charlie Walnyak. Kakawat preparing for any events. The Ladakare log, Chergokor. Tijentoro can the Alacona corner cholan one wale. Morning news, which cut into a grey log. To go to Din Media and be at a LinkedIn. And the concept of all this thing were a log, the future, hang in a balance. The reason a Kujabang in balance, a visiting of Dr. Regaj, Katana, Choga, Kobu, problem will follow. Katada and Tongo. The reason Lane decision in Jaga Kobu by week, men be regard but penetrate. As Piala Mayoka, Kobu, you tell personalities. Like a decision again. The decision job and Ted Bong, La Chap, the Chung. But dear Jaga, the Park Commissioner of Kobu County, James Quizmaquat, La Quizna Labilio, the George. Openly, which a lara and a spell maji, the tapan, HLO, Dr. Guide, despite Kuja spell mayo, Chella the guide is not allowed in a Kobo. So Chagaroka Kuwalnya, can the Yitan Pain, to Kakawat, preparing good the core, the Nang, a motor, and a fear. Taro can then a cholo can in Changawana, to go ken the Lord can young man with your thin, Din Media, Chilotate, go chocolate.